first of all, you've got a city that wants to do business with Nelson for the future, and it's the future. It's medium to long term future. So it's not today or tomorrow, but it's what's going to be happening in the next 10 to 20 years. And they are now developing into what we expect will be the fourth economic zone of China. So from that, if you used Huangshi as a radius and used a time distance radius of 12 hours, you've got access to 1 billion people. There's a number of aspects to our relationship with Huangshi as a sister city. First of all, the sister city relationship has been in place for 17 years, but we haven't really developed the economic aspects of it. I think that Huangshi and Nelson are ready to start doing that, and it's not just for now, it's for the long term. It's medium to long term. So with the next 10 to 20 years, I expect that they will be a significant trading partner for us. New Zealand is held in very high regard in China, and Huangshi certainly has a very high respect for Nelson. I've been there 18 months ago. We had a visit from them out here last year, and then to go back again and to see how well received we've been has been really quite amazing. And that goes from the mayor to all of their businesses. If you see the development that's going on there, the development is phenomenal. You drive down a road that wasn't there 6 months ago, and you see all of these massive industries being redeveloped there, and we want to be part of that, and we should be part of it, but it's about developing the relationships. We need to be continuing the dialogue with them. We need to be visiting them on a regular basis. We need to be inviting our friends from Huangshi back out here to see what we have to offer. We need to see what opportunities there are for them out here in Nelson, as well as for us going back there. What Nelson has been doing very well since before the European come has been developing food and food-based products. The next 20 to 40 years, the most desired product in the world is going to be food or food-based products, and we stand in very good stead for that. Huangshi is a developing area. It will be the fourth economic zone for China, so that's very important to us. It's got a population of 2.7 million people. They're developing, and they will have a strong middle and upper class. But if you draw a radius, a 12-hour distance travel radius around Huangshi, you've got access to 1 billion people. If you shorten that just to be a little closer to a 4-hour travel ratio, you've got access to 400 million people. Now, we want to be able to tap into that market. If we can do something and develop our relations with Huangshi, we don't need to worry about anywhere else in China, or for that matter, anywhere else in the world. That's a pretty strong market to be part of. Nelson is very strong in growing Braeburn apples. Now, Braeburn apples have been a very popular apple in Germany, but if you took a Braeburn apple into China, they wouldn't like it because it doesn't appeal to their palate. So we need to be sure with other products that our other products appeal to the Chinese market. What we do well and what we will do even better, and that's based around our food, our primary sector, and the developing of that, adding value to that. Since prior to the European coming here, we produced food and produced it very well, and we will into the future. In the next 20 to 40 years, the most desired product in the world will be food or food-based product. Well, the first thing they need to do is to get a clear understanding of what the Chinese market is. It's not about production-based, it's about market-led. So you need to be going into the market and seeing what products that they'll be wanting to buy. Unless you've got some champions at the other end, you'll be struggling to get anywhere. But we've got a market there that has opportunities for us, and will be supported from the mayor, central business, all the way through the chain, and that's where developing the relationships is so important. We're here to facilitate the relationship, so it's putting one in touch with the other. We want to grow our region. We're a neutral party. We're not membership based. We're here to to look after the whole region's interests in terms of economy. The payoff will be that we will have better paying jobs for our people in Nelson, that we'll have jobs that will be developed for the young people in Nelson, and we'll have businesses that have got a ready market for them. If I walk down the main street of Huangshi, I get a number of people will come up to me and speak to me in English with a big smile on their face. Now, if I was Chinese and walking down the main street of Nelson, you would struggle to find somebody to speak to them in Mandarin or even to say hello to them. We need to be accommodating and recognise that these people are no different to us and that they're good friends of ours.